Clamp on my pool pump valve. That's the valve body right on top. That clamp I'm pointing at, see if we can get it focused. That clamp I'm pointing is a plastic clamp that clamps the sand container to the valve. That broke right here. That's expected. After years, the plastic fails. This is where it failed. I had a spare ring, this plastic ring that goes around that valve. This is where it broke, right here. Okay, I had a spare around. I keep a spare. As soon as one breaks, I order another one because I do not want to go a week without the pool waiting for that clamp. So I did this job. I had a spare and I put it on in about 10 minutes. There's just screws that goes through here and a nut on both sides. And also I put Vaseline inside this groove to make sure it clamps tight around the ring. If you don't have the valve number or the pamphlet that came with it, look on the edge of this ring here for a part number. I got this one on eBay for $26 with free shipping. Broke this one, I just ordered another one to keep it around. And then you just put this back on, put the two screws in. The nut, you got to make sure when you put this back on that it is around the edge of the tank. You don't want to tighten it up. It's not on the edge of the tank. You'll break it again.